Hi EDU 279. I wanted to hop on and welcome you to week 2. I know that we started out week 1 in kind of a hurry. You had a discussion board to participate in and a journal. That's a lot for just a few days, but things will slow down now that we're getting more into the content and not just trying to check in and get the course started. So I thought I would go in and do a screencast from Moodle so you can see kind of an outline of your assignments for the week. First and foremost, I would like to point out that the syllabus is here on the welcome page as well as the course schedule. Make sure you download those. Make sure you read them and have them accessible. The course schedule can be really helpful in giving you an idea of what the course is going to be like throughout the semester. Some of the dates and things in there could change, but most likely they will stay the same. The only time we make adjustments to dates is if somebody needs an extension or things aren't working out with the observations. So it's a pretty good resource to use. So we did week 1. So we're going to just click on the content for week 2. There will always be at the beginning of each week a list of kind of action items that let you know that you've done everything that you need to do to successfully complete that week's work. One thing I want to specifically show you in this week is the classroom observation survey. This is a form that I've shared with you that I need for you to do pretty much as soon as you log in this week, or at least take a look at it and start thinking about these items. When you click on the link, it'll bring you to this form, and I'm collecting information about the county where you plan to observe and what classroom and what kind of steps you've taken to get ready for those observations. So do that sooner rather than later. Whoops. So that form is more of a housekeeping item, but I do need you to complete. Okay, let's take a look at the other assignments for this week. You will have a discussion board to participate in that is based on the video and the reading assignment from the Science of Reading. And I do ask that you do your initial discussion board post by Thursday and respond to your classmates by the following Monday. There's a journal item also due this week, and the last thing here for your review is a research assignment that will not be due until next week, which will be September the 6th. September the 5th is Labor Day, so I'm having this research paper due for you guys on the 6th. Okay, let's take a look, just a quick look at that. You are researching how well U.S. students read. You're going to do online research. You need to have at least 3 quality references, and you're going to cite those references using APA format. And in your essay, reflection on the research that you conducted, you're going to answer these questions and come to a conclusion about how well children and schools are performing in the United States right now based on reading. So like I said, you have a couple of weeks to work on that, but do read over this and begin your research this week. Let's take a look back. And that is everything for week 2. I know that's enough, but again, you have this nice checklist here that will help you make sure you've completed everything. And I'm sorry, also the Check for Understanding quiz. The good thing about the Check for Understanding quiz, each time we do a Check for Understanding quiz, you do get 2 tries at that quiz, and your highest score will be the one that goes into the grade book. These are more of like self-assessments to see how well you're comprehending the content that's being presented and the reading materials. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I hope you guys have a great week.